Hey guys, welcome to U+I 2-minute tutorials. Today we're going to be taking a look at exporting assets from Illustrator with a power of 2 constraint. The reason why you want a power of 2 is when you import them into your engine, you're going to want them to be able to be compressed, and the engine will only compress assets that are to the power of 2. So let's dive in and take a look at what we're dealing with here. So we've selected the panel that we want to export, and as you can see with the transform, we've got a funny width and a funny height. Now you might want this funny width and funny height. Maybe you're working with icons that don't have a consistent width or height, or any type of asset like that. However, you still want to export them with an even width and height. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the process very quickly of exporting this and seeing how Illustrator deals with assets when exporting, and then we're going to come up with the solution just after. So I've added that there. Just going to quickly label it on power of 2, and then I'm going to export it, and I'm going to export it onto my desktop, and we're going to take a look at the asset that's created. Okay, cool. And I'm just going to get info, and I'm going to see, yeah, the asset export has been really good in that it's exported exactly the width and the height, but it's ignored the artboard. So a quick fix for this is to create an empty rectangle. So I'm going to set this to 512 by 512, and I'm going to place it aligned to the center and vertical, and then just open this, just check it's in there. Yeah, that's great. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all this, that's all groups. Yeah, I'm going to add it, and as you can sort of see, things have changed a little bit. And then I'm just going to do power of 2, right? Power of 2. And I'm going to export this very quickly, and right click, get info, 512 by 512. Perfect. There you go, guys. This is a really powerful hack for Illustrator when exporting assets, icons, or any types of these things. You're going to need to get this into your workflow because it's so important when working alongside developers and with the Unity engine. If anyone knows a way of doing this that is different to my approach, feel free to let me know. I'd love to learn a better way of doing it. Guys, this has been 2-minute tutorials. Catch you next time.